What's up, YouTube? It's your boy RG back with another fucking banger. That's all I dropped in 2018. You already know. Shout out to Official Gang. We on top. We can't stop. You already know the motto, man. But today I'm back with another hair tutorial video, man. And today's video is gonna be on the top or the best. It's gonna be the best hairstyles of 2018, in my opinion. We all have different opinions, but we're gonna go ahead and get this video started, man. Y'all show me so much love on my hair tutorial videos, so it's only right to keep bringing it to y'all, man. But before we get the video started, get that motherfucking intro poppin'.
Straight up. That's why they fuck with 2 Woo.
Okay, they fuck with 2 Woo. Cause I be real life in this shit.
Down.
And yes, I hit that for the cheese.
Alright, y'all, first off, what we got is the man bun. You feel what I'm saying, man? I occasionally wear this shit like once every week. I don't really wear it that much because usually I like my hair fully out instead of in a bun. I really just rock this shit like when I'm about to go to the barber shop, so I can get that crisp little line up and get my baby hairs, you know, lined up and shit like that. Get that taper, little fake front lineup. It's called the taper front lineup if y'all want to know what the front should be. But this is a little, you know, the little back 360 or whatever. The man one right there. But if y'all don't know how to make this, I got a video on that, so y'all can go to the previous video I made. I made that shit like in the summer. It's really easy as fuck to make, to be real with you. If you don't know how to do that shit, you slow. Alright, y'all, next up we got the flat top. This is like the curly flat top, man. As you see, the my curls is just falling and shit like that. It's a lineup right there. But yeah, I like this look right here. But I don't really rock it like that because you can't really see the fade and shit. Because my hair done got so fucking long, bro. Like, you barely can see like the fades and shit on the side. So that's why either I'll rock like the man bun most of the times, or you know, the other hairstyle. Like I'll wear like the bang and shit like that, which I'm about to show y'all in a minute. But this is the flat top right here. I'm gonna start wearing this actually a little bit more. It look alright. It's just you can't really see the fade and shit like that because my hair is like covering everything. You feel what I'm saying? But that's that right there. And this is one of the to me, one of the top hairstyles. This is one of the top hairstyles of 2018, flat. Alright, next up, a lot of people have been requesting this shit right here. This is the man bang. That's what I call it, the man bang. You feel what I'm saying? Got the little bang going on. Basically what I did is, if you want to do this with your hair and shit like that, and if you got like hair like me, your hair dropping shit like that, you want to just grab a bobby pin, open it up. Fuck. Shit. Retarded. But you want to open it up and space it out. Space it out to where how much you want clipped up to hold your hair, and you had a bang. And usually I'll rock this instead of like wearing the full flat top because it'll cover my hair. So I just show like part of my lining basically. But it's one of my favorite hairstyles in general, man. One of the best in 2018, man. Y'all rock with this, man. Y'all make this a trend, man. I know me and OBJ, we be doing this shit. Like we like the only ones who really be rocking this shit like that. I don't really see a lot of people doing that, but yeah, hopefully a lot of people start wearing it after me. Alright, y'all, last but not least, we got the 2-strand twist going on. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4. I usually just rock 4 of them, like towards like the side of my head instead of like the front, cause it'll look dumb like that. But I like this style right here. This is like one of my favorite styles and shit like that, having a 2-strand twist like on the side, just like 4 of them. I just like that design. I think it's pretty cool. It's like kind of like the OBJ look, but his shit like dreaded up. I wouldn't dread my shit up. But that concludes like all of the hairstyles. This is the top 2018 hairstyles for me, and I think in general it's top. I think it's the top hairstyles. You feel what I'm saying? A lot of people be rocking the man bun. A lot of people rocked the flat top and shit like that. Some people even do like a couple 2-strand twists to their hair, like me. You feel what I'm saying? But I might actually get my whole head 2-strand twist. I just haven't did it yet because I'm just doubting this shit gonna look wrong on me. It's not gonna look right on me, and I'm gonna just waste my money because that shit be like $40 to $50 depending on who braiding your hair. Now if you a female and you do hair, man, hit me up for the low. I'm just playing. But if you stay in Georgia, I'm dead ass though. Y'all can do my hair. I'm trying to get 2-strand twists like in my whole head because I need to try new shit out. You feel what I'm saying? These is like the only 4 hairstyles I've been rocking. And you will see me rocking these occasionally. I don't really stick to one hairstyle, to be real with y'all niggas. You don't just see me wearing a flat top. Sometimes I might switch it up, wear like the one bang, add these out, you feel what I'm saying? Rock the man bun. Or sometimes even have a fro out. You get what I'm saying? But that concludes the video right there. Make sure y'all spam up some more hair tutorial videos y'all want me to do. Cause I like doing those because we get a lot of views on them. We get so much love. But make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Share the channel out to your friends in school, your fam. You already know what the fuck going on, man. We on that 10K grind. The official game, we lit and we can't stop. And we going to the motherfucking top. You already know what the fuck going on. We out.
Brand new foreign, it be boring, but she going. I had to kick that little bitch out cause she annoying. Get your block and flip that shit just like a